Welcome to peer review process. Peer review process allows us to ensure quality patient care and is a tenet of a magnet-designated organization. Peer review is different than peer feedback. Peer feedback is for goal setting or as a means of professional growth. Peer feedback may be interdisciplinary, often used to create annual goals for professional development. In the peer review process, it is important that we deliver feedback in a positive manner that inspires professional development and encourages us to use peer review as part of our daily practice. We can accomplish this by incorporating the 5 facets of supportive feedback into our peer review process. Click on each of the 5 facets to learn more about them. Think of ways we could use them to support effective peer review. The American Nurses Association describes the 6 principles of nursing peer review process. They are that a peer is a person of equal rank, that peer review should be practice-focused, that the feedback should be given in a timely manner and be part of routine practice, that peer review inspires continuous learning, it should not be anonymous, and it should be developmentally appropriate. Again, click on each link for an expanded definition. Here is a simple example of a staff nurse employing peer review with a coworker. The feedback was focused on the observed behavior, patient education, not on the individual. Peer review occurred in a timely manner with the intent of ensuring quality standards by inspiring continuous learning. The feedback was delivered in a positive tone, describing what was done correctly with a realistic and developmentally appropriate recommendation for improvement. You can see that nursing peer review does not need to be time-consuming or intimidating. Rather, it should be a natural part of our everyday practice. Please proceed to the next slide when you have finished reading the scenario. In conclusion, peer review by nurses is an effective way of improving nursing practice, leading to improved quality of patient care and nursing professional development. The nursing peer review process can be performed effectively by including the 5 facets of supportive feedback and the 6 American Nurses Association peer review guidelines in the process.